Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Vigoren. I'd like to welcome you to the Vigoren Restorative Center here in Newport Beach.
Dr. Vigoren's approach is different. He wants to meet you, he wants to talk to you, he wants to know about you, he wants to see the whole picture of who you are, your lifestyle, your choices, where you come from. And for that reason, he saw something that other specialists didn't see, and he was able to fix my problem, and that transformed my life completely for better. And I'm very, very grateful for that.
When I came in here and had my first experience, I immediately realized this is way beyond dentistry. This is something that's a whole lot more of somebody's overall health and wellness.
So I'm also in the healthcare profession, and what impressed me most about meeting Dr. Vigoren is he sits down with you and he listens. And when that occurs, you realize the guy organically and authentically truly cares.
I've been a patient of Dr. Vigoren's my entire life. Between my older sister, my younger brother, and I, we had preventative treatments done. And in the 40 years that we've been patients, we've had one cavity between all three of us. I believe that's a pretty good testament to the type of dentistry Dr. Vigoren performs.
The best thing about Dr. Vigoren's work is the longevity. I had major dental work done over 40 years ago, and it has held up beautifully. I haven't had to have anything redone since.
You walk in the office, you see all around you, the doctor's got the latest, greatest tools, technologies right here at his disposal, and he explains what's happening, and you realize at that moment the guy's going to do the right thing for the right reasons.
He completely educated me and took the time to show everything going on in my mouth in a big screen, sharing everything and explaining and the time that he took then to actually fix everything was completely enlightening.
So I'd have to say this is the first time I've been to a dentist where I felt really safe, really cared for, and the guy or girl was going to go the extra step to make sure that I was taken care of. And that just left me with a really good feeling as a person, as a human.
Dr. Vigoren isn't only about teeth. He takes a holistic approach to your health and well-being. For example, he noticed I was grinding my teeth, came up with a solution, and due to that, I sleep so much better. So coming into this office hasn't just improved my mouth, it's improved my quality of life.
When you visit Dr. Vigoren's office, you'll realize very quickly this isn't a dentist's office. It's an approach to total health and wellness and incorporates everything that you want to do to have a great quality of life.
I now bring my 4 children to see Dr. Vigoren because I trust him and because he really cares about his patients.
I think the key to what we do here is passion. When I started 51 years ago, I treated almost exclusively family members. To this day, I still treat all my patients like family. You've seen some of what we do here, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'd like you to come here and experience it yourself and become part of the family.